Hey, you guys, we are going to do this easy flower arrangement. All right, you guys, we are going to rock with this flower gift box from Amazon. Okay, so it comes 6 in a pack. All right. However, I'm going to keep it real with you. All of mine came damaged except for this one. All right. Okay, so these are all the pieces. We got the mom portion. We got the foam inside of the plastic container. Okay, and the gift box itself. All right, so let's figure out how to put this bad boy together. Oh, okay, so all you gotta do is simply remove the paper and stick the corners together. Boom, just like that. So I'm going to do the same thing with all the corners. All right, so now we're just going to prep the water, fill the sink with water, and then I'm just adding this packet from the roses and simply cutting the foam in half so it will fit in the sink. And just simply put the foam in the water. All right, so once I let it soak in the sink for a while, I'm just going to simply place it in the plastic container. And you can see it has that, look at it, it got dry spots, but it been soaking, y'all. It been soaking. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and clean the roses. Just like that. So I'm just going to do that to all of my red roses. Now you're going to need 3 dozen of roses. I used 1 dozen of red and 2 dozen of white roses. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and basically making our red roses pop. All I'm doing is adding some red glitter. Okay, and I'm gonna spray the roses with this Elmer's spray. And I am so sorry, I am out of frame. So all I'm doing is spraying the rose and simply dipping it in the glitter. You guys, these are so pretty, and I hate that you cannot see. I hate that it was out of frame, but it is so pretty, y'all. If you could only see. Very, very pretty. So I'm just going to add a little bit more glitter. Just a little bit. And all I'm going to do is repeat the same process to all 12 roses. Okay, so while those are drying, I'm going to go ahead and prep the white roses and clean those up. Okay, now I'm just going to put the mom portion right on top of the foam, just like that. And simply cut the roses down to fit inside of the box. And all I'm going to do is simply arrange the roses around the heart. You guys, this is so easy. Very, very beginner friendly. Look how easy it is. All you're doing is arranging the flowers in place. That's it. That's all you got to do. Super simple. Voila. Look how pretty. And I'm just going to add this gold butterfly just to get a little pop, just a little bit, just a little bit. And if you haven't already, you guys, if you can please hit that like button and subscribe. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.